Welcome! Conducting thorough company research can be time-consuming and overwhelming. With KaibanJS, this process becomes much simpler and more efficient. Let's see how we can streamline company research using intelligent agents. As you know, traditional company research involves manually gathering data from various sources, which consumes time and effort. Analyzing business models, funding history, and market position separately often results in fragmented insights. The process is slow and inefficient, making it hard to get a complete picture. This often leads to incomplete insights, making it difficult to make informed decisions. KaibanJS automates company research by assigning specialized agents to handle each aspect of the process. The first, the business model analyst, reviews the company's revenue model, followed by the funding specialist for funding data, and the operations analyst for internal efficiencies. Next, the exit strategy advisor explores exit strategies, the market analyst evaluates market position, and the acquisition strategist analyzes customer acquisition. Finally, the report compiler gathers all findings into a detailed report. KaibanJS simplifies every step, ensuring thorough and efficient company research. Let's see how it works. We start by creating the company research team and assigning it a name. Next, we add the agents, each responsible for different research tasks, analyzing business models, funding, operations, exit strategies, market position, and customer acquisition. We set the input parameter with the company name we want to research, in this case, Vercel. This input is flexible, so you can change it to any company of interest. Once everything is ready, we start the workflow. On the Kanban board, you can see the agents moving through the stages of task execution, from to do to doing, and finally to done. Once all tasks are done, the report compiler generates a detailed report, providing a full view of Vercel's business landscape. With KaibanJS, company research is faster and more comprehensive. Our agents handle the tedious parts, so you can focus on strategy and decision-making. Ready to revolutionize your research process? Try KaibanJS today. Thank you for watching, and happy researching!